Hey besties, in today's video we're going to be unboxing the November 2021 BoxyCharm today, and I am so excited to be sharing it with you. I cannot believe that we are already in November. I don't know about you guys, and thank you so much to BoxyCharm for sending this over to me. You guys know I'm on the PR list now, which is so crazy because I've been buying their boxes for years. And yeah, as you guys know, if you don't already know, BoxyCharm is basically a monthly subscription beauty box where you pay $25 per month and they send you out 5 full-size products. Now, this is the base box, but they do have other boxes as well, like premium and all that, but I don't get that one. I just go over the base boxes, which is what we're gonna do today. So every single month we get a card that has that month's theme on it. This month's theme is invite only, as you guys can see, and it's super cute and colorful. And then on the back we do have a list that shows you all of the products we're going to get with the descriptions and prices. So let's jump right in. The first product that we received is a palette, and it is the Violet Voss Violet Sun Eyeshadow and Pressed Pigment Palette, $37. And this is what the outside packaging looks like. I have to say it's very, very cute, very aesthetic. I love the purple and pink tones in here. Those are some of my favorite shades. And this is what the inside of the palette looks like. I would have preferred to have a bunch of purples and pinks in here, just being really honest. But I love that it is a neutral palette with that pop of color. A lot of brands tend to do this, but usually the pop of color, the pop of color is like a blue, but here we get a purple, which I actually do really appreciate. The next product we have is the Luxie Por La Noche, $40. This is a brush set. This is what they look like. I think it's really nice that we get this little Ziploc seal situation right there. But the only thing I will say about the brushes, like the only negative, oh my gosh, why is that there? The only negative that I could think of when it comes to this brush set is the fact that you do get 2 eye brushes and then you get a face brush, which in my opinion, I like it when, like, you know, it's a little bit more cohesive, like a set comes with either stuff for the eyes or stuff for the face, you know what I mean? I don't like it really when they like combine it like this, but I have so many brushes in my collection, and I feel like if you have a BoxyCharm subscription, you probably already do too, so it really doesn't matter, but I just wanted to bring that up to you guys. The next product, you guys, is skincare. You guys know I love the skincare that BoxyCharm puts in these boxes. This is the Skin Fix Resurface AHA BHA Enzyme Exfoliating Pad, $50. This is what the packaging of the outside looks like. I have to say it's super duper cute and fun looking with the aesthetic. Oop. And this is what the outer packaging looks like, and it says retexturing peel to smooth, brighten, and help tackle dark spots on the face and body. And let me go ahead and give this a little sniff. Smells really, really clean. Very, very clean. So I'm super excited for this. This is probably my favorite product so far. Just being honest, I always love the skincare items. The next product we're receiving is the Bodyography Makeup Brush Cleanser, $19, and it looks like this. And I have to say, I'm really happy that I did get this, and I'm a little bit excited that I did because I just bought a makeup brush cleaner, like the little pads that you get that have like those rough ridges, which makes it really, really easy to just like clean your brush with. So I think this and that would go like hand in hand and make a really good duo for cleaning my brushes. So I have to say I'm really impressed. Let me go ahead and spray it. Smells like sanitizer. Not sure what I was expecting there. The last product that I have is from Ace Beauty. It's the Eyeshadow Amplifying Base, and it's $14.99. Now, I have a couple Ace Beauty products in my collection, all palettes, so it's really nice that they came out with a, you know, a little primer. That way you have that to go with those palettes, and it's in the shade Light. Oh, did I show it to you guys? I'm so sorry. Come on, baby, focus. There we go. Okay, and this is what it looks like on the back of my hand, just to show you the coverage and shade. Oh, wow. That looks really nice. Now I'm really excited about that. Wow, and it's only $14.99. Some of them on the market are really, really expensive, so just letting you know that. So the overall total of everything, you guys, was $161, which is so crazy because you're only spending $25, which I think is a steal. My favorite items were definitely the cleaning pads, the eyeshadow primer, and I don't know, between the brushes and the makeup cleaner, I'd probably say the makeup cleaner just because I think this is going to go really, really well with the other item I told you guys I purchased. So all in all, I'm really happy with this month's box. Please leave a comment down below what your favorite item was, or if in general you think this box was worth it. And yeah, you guys, thank you so much for staying with me till the end. If you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so and maybe leaving a nice comment below. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!